do lots of things with them. Oh, whoops, I think we've gone slightly off course there, Richard. I shouldn't really look at the camera. We do lots of things as MPs, but something I haven't done is drive a combine. Well, not for a very, very long time, since I lived at home on the farm, and even then they wouldn't let me loose on the combine. But this is £185,000 worth of highly sophisticated equipment. Normally it just drives itself, a bit like an aeroplane, but Richard Payne, the farmer, is very trustingly letting me drive. That's because it's a very, very simple rectangle of grain left here in the middle of the field to do. But I am absolutely overawed by all this sophisticated gadgetry now that guides our farming, and it is all very high tech, and that's what it needs to be. It needs to be. It's a high tech, highly professional industry, and I take my hat off to all those who